Hello guys, I'm Sushil and welcome back to another Blender tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create this animation in Blender. So let's get started. Alright, we'll start this tutorial by deleting everything on our viewport. So press the A to select all and X to delete. And now we will add a circle. So press Shift A, Mesh, Circle. Now you can see a pop-up over here. Just expand this and set the value of vertices to 3. Now you will get a triangle. Now select the triangle and go to Edit Mode by pressing Tab. Now press the X icon over here and we'll extrude this exactly 10 meters in Z axis. So press E to extrude and Z to extrude in Z axis. And if you look at your left top corner, you can see the meters measurement. So just pull this up to 10 meters and hold Ctrl when you reach nearly to 10 meters. So it will snap into 10 meters. Now once you've done that, move your cursor near to your vertex and press L so that all the vertices are selected. Now we will look at this in horizontal and vertically. So press Ctrl R. You can see a yellow line over there, and scroll your scroll wheel to increase the cut. The same again. Ctrl R. 4 times. All 3 sides. Now go back to object mode and go to modifier, this wrench kind of thing, and add a modifier called simple deform modifier and set the axis to Z and the angle to 360 degree. I will get this. Now we will add a curve called circle and scale this a little bit and select the object, and we'll add another modifier called curve and set the curve object to Bezier curve and select the deform axis to Z axis. Now you can see the object itself is lying on the circle curve. So just scale down the curve until the object meets again. Hold on Shift to decrease the sensitivity and make sure the object is touching it again perfectly. Now you have modeled your object. Now we will add another object called icosphere and increase the subdivisions to 4. Right click on it and set to face mode. Just move it in y-axis and scale it down. Now select the object, go to this icon, particle properties, and click the plus icon and set it to hair. Now go down and expand the render and set the rendered part as object. And under object, select the icosphere. Now you can see the icosphere is widely distributed on our object. So expand now expand the source and change the emit from to vertices. So now there's a icosphere on every vertices, but you can see some of the vertices are missing. To avoid that, just increase the number over here in emission. You can see all the icospheres are appearing. Once you've done that, make sure the icosphere is in every vertex. Now press the Z icon up here so it will bring us to top view. press Shift A, add a camera, and find a good view on your viewport and press Ctrl Alt Numpad 0 or go to View, align active camera to view. So your camera will be aligned to your viewport. Now let's adjust this a little bit. Now let's animate this object. So go to Object Properties and right click on it and insert keyframe. If you go onto your timeline, you can see a rhombus over here on frame 1. Now let's move this to frame 120 and set the Z degree to 360. Right click, insert keyframe. Now we can see 2 keyframes are added and set the end frame rate to 120 frames. Now when you press play, the object will rotate. Sometimes these IQ spheres will be bubbling. To avoid that, go to this particle system and turn on regroup. Now we have deal with our animation. Now let's do our lighting. So go to render view and go to this camera thing and turn on ambient occlusion, blue, and screen space reflection. Go to world properties and set the world strength to 0. Now we will add a light in white pattern. So we'll add a light over here, and over here. And this light is going to be different and these two are going to be the same. So let's add a light to our scene. So press Shift A, light, point, and move this in X-axis. And go to light properties and increase the power to 500 watts. Okay, see. Let's add another light called eevee light, and we'll move this exactly to this block. And now we'll make sure that this light is pointing towards the object. So we rotate this in y-axis. Move this a little bit up. Once you've done that, increase the power to 250. Okay, see. Now go over here, set the pinpoint to 3D cursor and press Shift D, R and Z. So we are duplicating the same light again. Press Ctrl to snap into place and just click anywhere you want. Now we have done our lighting to our object. Now let's add some color to our light. So we'll change this color by clicking on the color icon over here, and we'll give this color orange, and this light blue. The point light anywhere between orange and blue. So I'm gonna keep it to pinkish purplish kind of area. I think this looks good. And select your object Go to material properties, click on new and increase the metallic to 7 and roughness to 0.3. Now you'll get this kind of thing. Now select the icosphere. We'll do the same to that also. Metallic 7, roughness 0.3. Now you will get this kind of thing. Now let's add a plane. So Shift A, plane, and just scale that. And bring this down. Make sure it doesn't touch our animation. And that's it. And if you are enjoying this video, subscribe would be great. And also follow me on IG at sculpting. Now I will show you how to render this as a video file. So go to output properties, set your desirable frame rate and set your location. I'll keep it in desktop. And select the file format as MPEG video, encoding as MPEG 4. Now go ahead and click the render button and render animation. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sculpting, and also follow us on Instagram at sculpting. Thanks for watching, guys.